Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing. So today I roasted some vegetables. These are all mixed vegetables. So I had some broccoli, some onion, some peppers and zucchini, some corn and cauliflower and some garlic. So I cut the cauliflower and then some red pepper, yellow pepper, green pepper, broccoli, and some corn. I cut it into smaller pieces, and then garlic. I put in a baking tray, and then I spray the olive oil. So I had to spray it all over, and then after that I sprinkled some lemon pepper seasoning. This had salt already, so I didn't add some more salt. Now I also sprinkle some black pepper, and then lastly I sprinkled some turmeric powder. And then I mix this well and spray some olive oil again. So after that, I preheated my oven at 480 degrees Celsius and I baked this for 30 minutes. If you want to try this recipe, you can use your own favorite spices. And my vegetables was ready to serve, and I couldn't wait to try, so I had to put some in a plate and then I had to try it. This was so nice. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. Bye for now.